Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on speedometer in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on speedometer in Google Maps application, first open up your Google Maps on your phone. And on this interface, after opening your Google Maps application, the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen over here. Tap on your profile picture icon, which is at the top right corner, and this kind of interface will appear. Again, we'll be required to tap on the settings option over here, just below your data in maps. Tap on settings, and again over here scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on navigation settings option over here, which is above the manage your preferences. And over here again scroll down at the bottom of the list and you will be able to find the speedometer option over here. Now in order to turn on the speedometer on Google Maps, tap on the speedometer icon, and then the speedometer will be turned on your Google Maps. And there guys, this is how to turn on speedometer in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.